Let's get started. Solution 1. Repair and reset the Xbox app. First, open the Start menu and type Settings. Open the Settings application. Select Apps from the menu on the left. Then click Installed Apps. Use the search box and type Xbox. Locate the green Xbox app. Click the three dots next to it and select Advanced Options. Scroll down until you find the Reset section. First, click Repair. Wait a few seconds for Windows to repair the application. Once the process is complete, click Reset. Click Reset again to confirm. Now try opening the Xbox app and check if it works correctly. Solution 2. Open the Start menu and type Services. Open the Services application. Scroll down until you find the Xbox-related services. You should see the following services: Xbox Accessory Management Service, Xbox Live Auth Manager, Xbox Live Game Save, Xbox Live Networking Service. Double-click the first Xbox service. Change the startup type to Automatic. Click Apply. If the service is not currently running, click Start. Then click OK. Repeat these steps for all 4 Xbox services. Make sure each service is set to Automatic and that its status shows Running. Once all 4 services are running, close the Services window. Solution 3. Update the Xbox app. Open the Start menu and type Microsoft Store. Open Microsoft Store. Select Downloads or Library from the menu on the left. Click Check for Updates or Get Updates. Microsoft Store will search for available application updates. If an update is available for the Xbox app, download and install it. Once the update is complete, close Microsoft Store and try opening the Xbox app again. Solution 4. Reinstall gaming services. If the Xbox app still does not work, open the Start menu and type Powershell. Right-click Windows Powershell and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes when Windows asks for permission. You will need to use 2 commands for this solution. Both commands will be available in the description of this video. Copy the first command. Paste it into the PowerShell window and press Enter. Wait for the command to finish. Next, copy the second command from the video description. Paste it into PowerShell and press Enter. Microsoft Store should open automatically and take you to the Gaming Services page. Click Get or Install. Wait for Gaming Services to be downloaded and installed. Once the installation is complete, restart your computer. It is important to restart your PC before testing the Xbox app again. After the computer restarts, open the Xbox app and check if it is now working correctly. And that's all there is to it.